Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 T31 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5255. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 for 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, does have some light scratches. Radiator grille, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, we have the left-hand tail lights, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, light scratches on the outside of the case, right hand guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.